Um, hey guys, I haven't done a video in a while, but yeah, today I'm doing one on my laptop, and a emachine, Windows 7, yeah, um, 15.6-inch screen and all that, but when I try to turn it on, it powers on and everything, but my screen, it just automatically turns off. Like, if it turns on, I know there's nothing wrong with it, but like, it's the fact that how it does it, and then they tell me to do Alt 10, it turns on, and then it goes right off. Then it wants to start over. I don't know if it got to do with anything. It's on and everything. My laptop's not hot. Don't overheat. I just got it like last year, and I don't know what's wrong with it. If I need to reboot it or what. Can somebody help me out? I really need this done, because it just keep restarting and then it turns right off. See? Alright, well, comment below if you know what's wrong with it, or you think you can fix it, and you think you know how to do it, so I can try and fix it myself. I really need it done. Thanks, guys.